Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we will learn about past continuous tense. Let us read some examples. Teacher: Hello students, what were we studying yesterday? Student: Ma'am, we were reading chapter number 4. Ria: What were you doing last night? Rahul: I was completing my notebook. Tina: Johnny, what were you doing yesterday after the school? Johnny: I was playing here in the park. From all these conversations, we can say that past continuous tense is used to express the event which were happening in the past at particular time. Now let us read all these sentences to understand past continuous tense properly. When we are making positive sentences using past continuous tense, the sentence structure is subject, was or were, first form plus ing plus object. For example, I was playing football. Same way, when we are making sentences negative using past continuous tense, the sentence structure is subject, was, were, note, first form plus ing and object. For example, I was not playing football. Same way, when we are making interrogative sentences, the sentence structure is was, were, subject plus first form ing, object, and we end the sentence with question mark. Example: was I play football? Was I play football yesterday? Second sentence: you were studying English. Negative: you were not studying English. Interrogative: were you studying English? He was singing a song in the party. Negative: he was not singing a song in the party. Interrogative: was he singing a song in the party? Positive: she was dancing on the stage. Negative: she was not dancing on the stage. Interrogative: was she dancing on the stage? Next, it was raining yesterday. Negative: it was not raining yesterday. Was it raining yesterday? We were speaking English. We were not speaking English. Were we speaking English? They were celebrating birthday. They were not celebrating birthday. Were they celebrating birthday? John was chatting with his friends. John was not chatting with his friends. Was John chatting with his friends? Birds were flying in the sky. Birds were not flying in the sky. Were birds flying in the sky? So, after reading all these sentences, we can say that with the help of past continuous tense, we express the actions which were going on in the past at a particular time. So this is all about past continuous tense. I hope you all have understood well how to use past continuous tense. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.